have to print the star pattern. Before printing this pattern, we must be familiar with the concept of matrix. So, what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array or table of numbers, symbols, or expression arranged in rows and columns. So, what is column in a matrix? Columns are in vertical position like this, whereas rows are in horizontal position like this. So we are taking first case when number of rows and the number of columns are equal. And the case 2 is when number of rows and the number of columns are not equal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such content and don't forget to like, comment and share.